Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna, and if you saw by the title, today I'm going to be showing you my favorite ways to use zucchini up, some little zucchini tips, and so we're doing some little recipes. Zucchini, as you all know, there's a lot of zucchini coming around this time of year. And some people know how to use it, some people don't, and I just love to be able to just throw it into things. It's healthier. I love the flavor of zucchini. Also, I use it all year round, but one way I've used to save is I actually will cut it up into little pieces and then freeze it into these little bags, and so then I can just pull it out anytime and use it. So we'll see how long this lasts because I use a lot of zucchini, so probably not that long, but I decided to give it a little try. So one of my first recipes that I love to do is a zucchini ramen soup. So for this, you'll be needing a zucchini, some pork chops, beef bouillon, Worcestershire sauce, and some garlic. And then you'll need plenty of water, but you can get that a little bit later. So I just start by cutting up the zucchini and the crookneck squash into little dicing up into little squares. I'm using both because that's what I have, but you can use either one. So once I have those, I'll just put it into my Instapot. So after I'm done cutting that up, I'll then take the pork chops and I'll dice up the pork chops too into little squares. And I'll do about 8 cups of water. So I like to have it just a little bit above the meat and the veggies. And then I'll take the beef bouillon and I will put in as many, so like there's 8 teaspoons of water, so then I'm going to do 8 teaspoons of the beef bouillon, but then also I'll do about 5 more, just give it extra flavor. And if you end up cooking it, it's not enough flavor, then you can always put in more after, and it mixes in really quick if you just get like the bouillon that's just like really loose. So then I'll just put in a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and then half a teaspoon of garlic. And then you just put on the lid and I'll just cook this up for 10 minutes. So it takes about 10 minutes for it to heat up and then 10 minutes to cook. So you have all this done in about 20 minutes. And then you have your fresh zucchini ramen, and it is so good and delicious and really gets that little ramen tasting, but it's a little healthier than that. The second recipe with zucchini is going to be, we're going to be getting the air fryer, some chicken, some zucchini, some of this Weber's smoked barbecue seasoning, some pepper, salt, and then we'll be good. I first get this up I'll be slicing up the zucchini into slices. And once we have that all done, I will just do the chicken into some slices. Now you can put the chicken right into the air fryer, but I didn't want to do a lot of the cleaning, so I just put it right on some little bit of tin foil. You don't want tin foil covering all of it, but you can do it a small section. And I'll put the Weber seasoning right onto the chicken, and then for the zucchini I'll just do a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'll put this into the air fryer, put it onto the setting for like fries, and that seems to do it. So it's like 20 minutes and I love doing that. So these are the 2 recipes that I love doing with zucchini and squash. They're great for the fall. They're just like yummy and they taste great, and it just helps you get in a little fall spirit and also use up that squash that you wouldn't normally have a use for. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Push that subscribe button if you're new, and let me know your favorite thing to use with zucchini down below. Hope you have a great day, great night. Bye. Love you.